Hey there, this is Eric with Prince & Supply. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Eureka AS2113 AS1 upright bagless vacuum. This is the #1 hot new best-selling item on Amazon.com. We're going to run you through a whole review. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to put the vacuum together, run a few tests, and again at the very end we're going to drop the vacuum to see if it breaks. Let's get started. Have our canister. Handle. And we have our vacuum. Alright, there we go. So you have your vacuum, cord, handle, extension, brush, and this thing. Now let's put it together. On the box it does say easy assembly, no tools required. So it looks like everything's just going to snap in. Okay, so it does come with this owner's manual here. I've turned a few pages in, and it goes over the easy 4-step assembly. Of course, this looks to be a bit more complicated. But let's see here. From what I can tell, this is going to attach to the base. As you can tell here, it does not require any tools. Looks like you just snap it in. There we go. Okay. And we have our handle. Again, this just slides right in. No tools required. Make sure it snaps in tightly. And then we have our dirt cup here. And see, it looks like it just rests here. Snap it in. And here's your hose. That just goes right in here. Hose retention. There we go. Attach. There we go. And from what I can tell, looks like everything's put together. We have our extension tool here. It's just going to slide right on in the back. I'm sorry. First time building this. Right there, and you have your brush tool, and you have your hose. And there we go. After we wind this up, looks like it's ready to go. Here we are with the Eureka AS2113A, completely assembled. Assembles very quickly, only in a few minutes, does not require any tools. Everything just snaps in nicely. We're going to go over the features now. Comes with a 13-inch cleaning path, onboard tools along with an extension wand and crevice tool. Also has a 19-foot cord. And one nifty thing that we like about this is if you want to switch to your onboard tools, you simply take this dial and switch it from floors to tools. It actually cuts off the airway or the suction from the bottom and directs it straight to the hose. This way, whenever you're vacuuming, you're going to get much more suction. Nice little feature there. Power buttons down here on the side, and to release it, you simply just put your foot down, pull back. Now when you do this, you're going to have your height adjustment right here. It's actually going to be easier to reach once you've pulled back on the handle. You have 5 settings from your lowest to carpet and highest carpet right here. There we are. Again, this is the Eureka AS2113A. It's right now the #1 best-selling hot new item on Amazon.com. If you'd like to find out more information and visit the Amazon product page, please click on the link below. Okay, here we are again with the Eureka AS2113A. We're going to do our performance test. We're going to see what it picks up and how well it performs. Again, that's the Eureka AS2113A. Alright, here we are with the Eureka AS2113A. We're going to do a onboard tools edging test. I'm going to show you how this feature works. So we're first going to remove the hose. We're going to grab the crevice tool. So to simply switch the suction, you're going to take this dial, turn it back towards the tools icon, and we're going to turn the vacuum on. There you have it. Okay, here we are with proper disposal. Going to remove this off the vacuum. Simply turn and empty. Back. Also, don't forget when you're done vacuuming, simply remove this washable filter, rinse it off, let it dry, and return. And there you are. Eureka AS1. Oh man. Let's do that again. Eureka AS2113A.
No, that's all right. Yeah.
All right, here we are again with the Eureka AS2113A. We're going to conduct our punishment test. All right. Oops. Damage wasn't too bad. Dirt cup simply popped off. Let's see here. No real damage. And there you go, with all plastic housing. Everything looks good as new. Okay, so for our final conclusion, we're first going to go over the cons. The only two things that I found wrong with this vacuum, for one, was how loud it was at over 100 decibels, and also the 19-foot cord. If you live in a large house, this vacuum is not going to be very good for you. Something small, it's going to be a lot easier. For our pros, we really like the vacuum. It's a really powerful suction. It also comes with this neat little here airflow control switch. It's a neat little feature there. And at $54.99 on Amazon.com, here at Princeton Supply, we think this is a great buy. It's a very light vacuum, and if you'd like to find out more information, please make sure to click on the link below to go to the Amazon product page. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Again, this is the review for the Eureka AS2113A. Thank you for watching. There, this is Eric with Princeton Supply. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Eureka AS2113 AS1 upright bagless vacuum. This is the #1 hot new best-selling item on Amazon.com. We're going to run you through a whole review. We're going to do an unboxing. We're going to put the vacuum together, run a few tests, and again at the very end we're going to drop the vacuum to see if it breaks. Let's get started. Have our canister.